Why do you sound like that? Soph, what's wrong? You gonna make that noise again? Aw. You don't like the car? Sound like a baby. You okay? Aw. Sophie, you want me to stop? Aw. Poor baby. What kind of noise is that? Huh? I don't know. I don't know.